Hello, this is Sandra Cho with Pointwealth Capital Management, and today I'm going to be going over March 2024. March brings the beginning of spring, and the markets did not disappoint. For the month of March, the S&P 500 was up 3.1% and the Nasdaq up 1.8%. For the first quarter, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq had strong performances of 10.2 and 9.1 respectively. This marks the best first quarter return for the S&P 500 since 2019. It's also the fifth straight month of gains. Market participation is strong, with over 80% of S&P 500 companies trading above their 200-day moving average. The international developed market also fared well in March with a 3.4 monthly return, beating the U.S. First quarter return for IFA was a respectable 6%. Emerging markets shared in the gains and were up 2.7 for the month, bringing quarter one emerging market returns into positive, though modest, territory. While international developed markets such as Europe remain attractively valued, their growth potential seems to lag compared to U.S. counterparts. On the fixed income side, the Ag Index finished the month up 0.61%, but is still negative year to date. The Fed held interest rates steady in the March meeting at 5.25% to 5.5%, and Powell reiterated his expectation that rate cuts will happen at some point this year, still anticipating 3 quarter basis point cuts in 2024. March started with the release of the February jobs report showing unemployment slightly increasing, but with more jobs created than expected. Bottom line, the jobs market is still strong. February CPI data showed annual inflation slightly ticking up, mostly driven by higher gas and housing costs. And as you can see, prices at the checkout counter keep going up, with PCE rising 2.5% on an annual basis. Lastly, February retail sales that came out in March showed a resilient consumer, alleviating investor fears of a sharp drop in spending, given January's weak numbers. All in all, March brought more of the same and continues the possibility of a soft landing. In other news, the Senate passed a funding bill that will last through the end of September. Super Tuesday locked in a Biden-Trump rematch. Trump was ordered to pay a $175 million appeals bond. The golden boy of crypto, Sam Bankman-Fried, is sentenced to 25 years. The Ukrainian-Russian war pummels on. And last but not least, the fate of TikTok's future in the U.S. hangs in the balance. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in April. Good luck with taxes.